In today's video, we are going to show you how to clone yourself in Higgsfield. Imagine creating an AI version of yourself that looks like you, talks like you, and appears in unlimited videos without you ever stepping in front of the camera again. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And once you are inside the dashboard, I want you to go to the top corner where you can see the option that says Image tab because you have multiple tabs here. Okay? Now, it's either you use the image, create an image of yourself, or the better option is go to the character. Okay? And click the Soul ID character because we are going to create a unique character, which is what we are going to do is click the create character. Don't worry, we're not going to start from scratch. Instead, we are just going to upload our own photos. So you can upload 20 photos of yourself for best results. So I'm going to do that right now. Now, rendering the files may take a little while depending on the complexity. And at this point, you can create a character name for that specific clone. Okay, so in our case, what I'm gonna do is rename it here by typing in how to clone yourself. You can use a different model like Soul 2.0, Soul, and Soul Cinema. And then all I have to do is click the create button. Since we have already created ourselves as the character reference, we can now use our photos or ourselves in creating new videos. So instead of us starting from scratch, I just want you to go to the create video and upload the character or the save image, which is going to be ourselves. So I'm going to click on it and upload our photos. Now, as you may notice, I have typed in a very detailed prompt at the bottom. And all I have to do now at this point is click the generate button. Remember, you can choose from different models because the model that you choose will take different credits. For example, Cdance 1.5, as you can see, it requires 10 credits. And once you've done that, what will happen is it will process the video using yourself here as a clone. Once the rendering has been completed, all I have to do is click the play button to preview the video. As you may notice, we have successfully created a clone of ourselves here in Higgsfield. Now, if you want to scale your content without constantly recording yourself, this is one of the most powerful tools right now. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.